Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to fix we couldn't find a fingerprint scanner compatible with Windows. Alright, let's begin. First of all, open up Run by pressing Windows plus R keys on your keyboard. After that, type in gpedit.msc in the search bar and give it a go. Now, under the Computer Configuration tab in the left side menu, click on Administrative Templates folder. Inside the drop-down menu, access the Windows Components tab and locate Biometrics inside it. Now, you will see about 4 files here. Simply double-click on the first one, enable it, and save it. After that, repeat this process for all of the available files. Once done, open the Facial Features folder and disable this feature. Then, close everything and open the search menu from the bottom and search for Services. Inside it, locate Windows Biometric Services and change the startup type to Automatic. After that, stop this feature and then run it again. Now check if your problem is solved or not. You can do it by opening the Device Manager and then checking whether biometrics drivers are appearing or not. If it isn't showing, open the File Explorer, go to Disk C, Windows System 32. Then locate Windows Bio Plugins. And then install this Hello Face feature by right-clicking on it. Once done, you just need to check if there are any Windows updates available. If there is one, just update it and your problem will be solved. So that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.